I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're wanting marquee letters for your next event, you're going to want to check out these from JW Passion. These giant 4-foot marquee light up letters come with everything that you need to put it together except for the hot glue gun. We use this double-sided tape that it comes with on every single piece to attach all the pieces together. It's almost like a puzzle. We had a really nice time doing it together. It was fun and very easy. Everything is labeled very clearly so you can put it together. It took us about an hour to put each letter together once we got the hang of it. Once you put all the pieces together with the tape, you can go back and use your hot glue gun to secure every single piece that you put together. This is really gonna make a huge difference with its durability. It also comes with a stand in the back that's very easy to put on. We also hot glued this and it proved to be very durable once we put it outside. The light bulbs are also really easy to install and they work great. So we decided to put some weights on the back of the stands and they held up great on this windy day. We even put balloons on top of it and they were nice and sturdy. So if you want to bring your event to the next level, definitely get some marquee letters. It makes it so special, and JW Passion has all the letters and numbers you'll need. They're really great quality. You're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.